Hi everybody, I just want to take a quick minute to show you guys a tip for uploading zip files to your courses that you're working on, and this might not apply to all of you, but it could be a useful tip for those of you who when you get your PowerPoint presentations that match the textbook, they're in zip format and then you have to extract them and upload them one by one to each unit. So I'm in a test course here just to demonstrate the process. So let's say that you're on the unit content page and you've got a zip folder that contains all the PowerPoint presentations for a course, and you want to save some time and just get them all into Blackboard all at once. So what you would do is over by the drop down menu here, you're going to want to select the option Document Package and then click Go. And from here you can, all you need to do is use the Browse button to find the zip folder. And so let's see, for the purposes of my demonstration I'm just going to use this accounting one, and then you'll click Submit. And because this is a zip folder and the Blackboard is unpackaging all of the files, it does take a couple of minutes. Okay, so the file has been unpackaged, and by clicking OK and scrolling down to the bottom of the page that I was working on, I'll see that there is now a folder, and it was just defaulted named PowerPoint. And if I click on this, all of the PowerPoint files that were in that zip folder are now in one big folder. So from here, as a developer, it'd really be up to you how you want to proceed. Personally, I hate having to upload the PowerPoint presentations one by one into every unit reading assignment. And so one thing that you could do, if each chapter, obviously this folder contains more than 12 PowerPoint presentations, but if you're teaching a class where it was one unit and one chapter for the reading assignment, you could just go ahead and click the Modify button here for Chapter 1 and title this Unit 1 Reading Assignment. And then you'd want to put in the language here saying, you know, read Chapter 1 from the textbook name and click on the link to view the PowerPoint presentation. So this will be specific to every course. I'm just going to leave it blank. And then here you can modify the item so that it says click here, Chapter 1. So in the name of the link here, click here, Chapter 1. And then you can click Submit. And then that item should have been modified so that it looks more appropriate for a unit. And then rather than it being in this folder with all of these items, you're going to want to put it in Unit 1. So you do that by using the Copy button. The course that you're working in should be the default name that's listed here in the destination course. And then you'll click Browse, and the course map will pop up, and you can select whichever unit you want. In this case, we're going to use Unit 1. If you want to remove the item, you could in this case, but I always try to err on the safe side and just leave it as no, and then delete it later on. And click Submit. And then you could follow the same steps for each one of these files. Now, this isn't going to be quite as slick if you're teaching a class and they need to read chapters 2, 3, and 4 for the unit reading assignment. In that case, you know, you could modify Chapter 2 and then save and upload these ones on your own, or you could even create a folder in the unit and then put these 3 files in the unit in a folder, and you would just want to modify the links so that they're specified to click here for Chapter 2, click here for Chapter 3. In any case, after you're done working with these files and after you verify that they are in the units you want them to be in, then you could just go back out to the unit content page and you can just remove this. And so in my mind, I would see this as being a time saver if you are impatient when it comes to extracting and uploading all the zip files, and you want to just do it once and then copy items over. So this is just a suggestion I wanted to make, and if there are other ways of using it and you want me to be aware of that and pass them along to other developers, please don't hesitate to let me know. Otherwise, go ahead and contact me if you have any questions. Thanks.